I'm Dr. Parminder Singh, the pathologist at Helvetia Diagnostic. Today, let's talk about a very common and now gradually increasing ailment, the thyroid. There is a difference. People feel that there's a bulge in the neck, only then they will have thyroid. It's not so. A plain goiter need not be a same condition as a thyrotoxic or a hypothyroid condition. That could be due to iodine deficiency, which normally with supplementation in salt and other things has been taken care of by the steps taken by the government. What we have to look at is the functionality of the thyroid gland, which can be either accelerated or a hyperthyroidism or a compensated or a low level hypothyroidism. The picture in both cases is different. In cases of hyperthyroidism, it's like a regulator of body mechanism. All body metabolism is governed by the thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism cases will come up with high metabolic picture like loss of weight, feeling more hot, irritability, and exhaustion. Though thyroid patients will present with resistant or gain of weight, mood fluctuations, resistant to cold, and puffiness of face at times, things which one can commonly observe. These things need to be checked, and the best way to do it is doing a blood test for your thyroid analysis, in which we can identify whether it is a hypothyroid or a hyperthyroid condition. Sometimes it could be a borderline hypothyroid condition which is being compensated by the pituitary gland by elevation of TSH, but not to the level that would need a treatment, but definitely needs observation. So in such cases, which are borderline cases, one can repeat these tests at maybe 3-month or 4-month or 6-month intervals, depending upon the appearance of clinical features. So this is a correctable condition and can be done from with a simple test which is available with us and is recommended because it also interferes in different metabolic activities of the body and different systems in the body. Easy to check, easy to correct, and recommended. Thank you.